Hey everybody, hopefully this video will be posted before New Year's Eve. So I'm just gonna do like a simple makeup look that anybody can do for New Year's Eve. My camera's like slanted. I'm gonna like share my gold eyeshadow that I used to do. I used to do this look so often. I always wore it during games, like football games when I was in drill, which I will show a picture like right here. Of course, you start with your usual face makeup. I'm not gonna show it because I always do the same steps on my face. You can probably watch my old video, my Christmas video. That's how I always do my makeup. I'll be back.
15 long ass minutes later.
We'll get right into the eyes. I use the NYX glitter primer. Although back when I was doing drill, I didn't have this. I just relied on my concealer to do all the work. But I'm gonna just start with the outer corners. I always did that brown with this exact same palette, which is the 15D Day Slayer palette by Morphe. It had these colors right here, and I always put the lightest brownish shade at the corner. It's like super cloudy, so I don't know if you guys can see it well. I can't really see my makeup. I always say light because like the gold eyeshadow that I use, actually it didn't blend well with the eyeshadow, so yeah, I didn't have time to like debate anything else. I was always in a hurry during those games. Oh my god, why does it look like that? Maybe because I can't see. Okay, so once it looks like this, oh my, it looks like patchy here. I always use a darker shade towards like the line thing. Then we cut the crease and I put this thing on. Once it looks like this, I put the glitter crease thingy. I'm gonna go in with this gold eyeshadow that is from the Bare Minerals trio. So I guess I kind of put a little too much on because now it's just like this shadow is so pigmented. Like I just get it from the cap and it's like boom. Something went wrong. I usually just blended more eyeshadow on top, like, oh, there's, okay, why does that's me. Why does it not look like this? Well, I'm gonna just put on the eyeliner, a very thin coat, which is the Mega Liner by Wet n Wild. Okay, here's one wing. It looks awful. So it looks like this. It looks weird. I don't know what happened. I swear it did not used to look like this. I'm gonna put on these lashes by Lash String, which are called Blossom, as you can see right there. I guess the lashes hide the ugliness of the eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I always use Fenty during the game, so that's what we're gonna do. This is it. Of course, your highlighter and everything, and you gotta look like a disco ball, a golden disco ball. Man, it's raining hard. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.